Hey guys, 93 Monster Mike here with another LEGO creation video. This time it's of my LEGO creation upgraded Gigan. So yeah, I got all the pieces from various LEGO sets like LEGO Atlantis, LEGO Dinosaur. I think some of them maybe from LEGO Star Wars. I'm not sure. Yeah. He has ball jointed shoulders, so he's able to do whoosh, just like in the movie. His blade hands can kind of rotate. And he's quite posable in the tail. In regards to sizing, he does fit rather well with the Bandai Creation Final Wars Godzilla. So this works here. And he also fits well with my LEGO Monster X. So yeah. Well, that's it for this video. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe to 93 Monster Mike for more videos. One request per person. And that's pretty much it. So until next time.